Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access Help Center in Dropbox. So let's go ahead with the video. First of all, you should have your Dropbox linked, and then you should go to your Chrome browser, click on this question mark over here, and then click on Help Center. It will lead you to this page. You can scroll down and read the Help Center. It gives you a lot of information if you wanted any question to be asked. Let me show it to you again. Go to dropbox.com now, click on this question mark and click on Help Center. Now you can preview all of these questions set, and you can even search. Let's suppose I want to see cancel subscription. If you scroll down, you can see the cancel subscription option. Now, if you go back to Help Center and scroll down, you can see a lot of questions are answered in these sections. You can click on it, and if you scroll down, the description about the products is also given. You can even read the popular articles and the top community posts. This way, you will be clear about any help you needed. So, this is how you access Help Center in Dropbox. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.